Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. This week, we're going to get prehistoric.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
The yellow one was printed on the Prusa MK2S with a 215-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. The orange one was printed on the Robo 3D R1 Plus with a 210-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. We used a Gecko Tech sheet. I found this model called Robert Rex on Thingiverse by Zang3. There'll be a link to it in the description. I printed these so my brother Zachary could play with them, but now that I found out that I can do this, I kind of want to keep them. Zach is going to have a fun time playing with these. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone! Hey everyone! So why can't a T-Rex clap? They're extinct!